What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you're having a wonderful day, my friends. As you can see, we had a great day. Hit profits about 16 points, $800 of contracts. Also hit Disney for $1,248. Really, really nice day. A lot of people are discussing a bull market right now. So what I want to do is I want to show you the trades from today, and then I want to do an analysis over the market right now and where we stand. So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. So first and foremost, who do we have in the building? Bill Lawrence, Trading Wars Army. Here to win big. Harry, what's going on? Wesley, Trading Wars Army. Dino's Den, what's going on? Jim, Trading Wars Army. G-Man, Hillbilly, Trading Wars Army. Reggie, Bill T, Hater, Heartstrong, Marcelo, Corey, Johnny, Trading Wars Army. Good to see you guys. Darian, Juan, Ruth, Ann, what is going on? All right. So, Bill, what's going on, Trading Wars Army? All right, let's do this. Let's start off with the trades for today, and then I'll do a nice analysis on futures. We'll just leave that right at the end, okay? Okay, so let's start off with SPY today, guys. Pretty nice day, nice fibs. I'm going to hit the replay, and we'll get right into it, okay? So first thing we want to do before we get into the trading day is draw the previous day's high and low, okay? So there's our high. Here's our low right here, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put the high in white and the low in white so we can differentiate, because I want to add my trigger. So my trigger was 39999. Okay. So that was the long level that I wanted to get in on. So if it hits 39999, 399.99, that's where I'm looking to get in. So let me just go ahead and double click here and let's lock that line on the chart as well. All right. So here we go. Okay. All right. So first candle came in, boom. Okay, so what I did off of this candle, guys, was I went for an opening range breakout. And once we broke over this high, I went for a long right here, came right through. So we consolidated a little bit there, and then boom, we broke above right just by a few pennies. So the good thing for me, guys, is once we broke above this high and it started coming back down, once we were about here, I cut the trade. So I did take a loser right off the bat, and you can see I lost roughly 4 points. You know, nothing huge. I just, once it broke through, I was expecting it to follow through, and it didn't. And I just closed the position. So I'll just show you guys that. So I said long orb, send the rockets. Going to use a tight stop, killing it here. So literally, guys, within about 2 minutes, not even 2 minutes, guys, less than 1 minute, I killed it because I just noticed that it wasn't moving. And we created this Nirvana pattern. So from here, my mindset shifted to look for a short. So I'll show you the short that we were able to take. So we got our push down right there, guys. And what we did is we took our Fibonacci from our high to our low like this. And we were looking right on the 618. So I'm going to go ahead and put the 618 on here, the basic. And remember, we're zoning in right there on that 618. That's where we want to short, okay? Because we're waiting for the pullback. So what are the main benefits of getting the pullback? The main benefits of getting the pullback, guys, is you will get the cheaper price on the premiums, right? So you can see here how we went a little bit lower here. So I just moved my anchor down like this, okay? And then I wait for the retrace. There we start pushing back up. Boom, boom, filled right there, okay? So let's stop right here for a second. Hit me with a 6 if you would be hesitant to take that trade right there. Would you be scared to take that trade? Would you be scared to short that right there? You can see it's been a very bullish green candle. So hit me with a 6 if the answer is yes. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the Discord and I'm going to walk you through that trade right here. So we took it right here. So this was the same thing I just drew up for you guys. So we drew this up in real time. And then you could see we got filled at 7:23 Pacific. That's 10:23 Eastern. And then you'll see what happened right after that. So we walked everybody through that, hit our target. So we come up in here, guys. It looks a little bit scary. Trust me. But the whole point of the Fibonacci is that it is a hidden support and resistance. So from here, next bar comes in, boom, right there. Okay, nice little red bar. And then we have this inside bar. So I wanted to highlight this part of the chart because this is what we call candlestick confirmation, right? So we're on the 618 and we have the candlestick confirmation. This inside bar is telling us that it's slowing down here. So if you don't want to get in right on the 618, what you could do is enter once the low of that inside bar is broken. And if you have the book, guys, right here, I'll show you where that concept is. Very, very powerful concept. I love to use that. It's called candlestick confirmation. And that's something I've just learned from trading for a long time. You can combine the inside bars and the patterns with the actual fibs. All right. So there's our candlestick confirmation right there. We got in right here on 618. Boom. Broke through, push through, boom, new low of day. That's where we're heading out, guys. That's where we're scaling out. Bam, big money. So that play right there, let me go ahead and pull up the P&L on that one. One sec. So that one right there. So my brother posted that one today. So that was right there, $2,442.75. Not bad at all. That was a really, really nice trade right there. All right. So make sure you're following TW Dairy. We just got the blue check mark on there. He does his own recaps. No, sorry, guys. That was the wrong one. That was the pin post. It was 1,193. That's what I thought. I was like, that looks high. 1,193. And you could see 1057, we bought back the 9 micro contracts because we use micros when we're dealing with smaller accounts. You want to use micros. Okay. And if you need help with futures, I have a full guide below in the description on futures trading. Okay. And then you can also look at my futures guide. So this part right here, guys, this is the part that made me a little bit sad. So the afternoon leg right there, this is the afternoon leg. We were able to land 20 points. So we netted 16 points, $800 a contract. So this is the part where I was a little bit disappointed. So I'll show you. So remember, my level to go long was 399.99. That was my level to go long, right? So check this out. The low of the day was 403 cents. So I missed it by 4 pennies, guys, and it was gone. See that? So I can't complain because I still made money, but my whole plan was to short into the gap fill and then take the gap fill back up, but I just never got filled. But I'm still happy with profit. 16 points, $800 a contract. We'll take that. Hit me with a 10. Has that ever happened to you? And the good thing, though, was even though I missed SPY, I caught Disney. All right. So I was able to catch Disney. So that's why I like to always trade. I always diversify my trades, right? So that I have the ability to take all the opportunities that present itself. Okay. So let's just go ahead and Disney, and I'll just show you what we did with Disney. So if you follow the YouTube channel, you guys know that I post free picks every day. So we had all of these: Microsoft Plug, Intel, Starbucks, Roku, Moderna, Uber, SPY, Apple, AMD, MU, and I believe, where did I post Disney? Can't even remember now. Maybe I posted it on the Twitter. Thought I posted Disney for you guys yesterday. There it is, Disney. So 107.76 was our long entry. Okay. So go right here and I'll mark it up. So sometimes you're not always going to get the fill, but when you diversify a little bit, you can catch it on another stock, right? So this was Disney today. So this was my trigger, 107.76. I did this fully automated, guys. Came down right there. So this one filled me a little bit later, right there. So there's our fill. There's the result. Really, really nice. Basically caught the low of the day. I was very, very pleased with that. $1,248. Something went wrong here because I felt like I should have made some more money. I have to check back the broker. I automated this, right? So I just literally, got filled and closed at the end of the day. But I felt like I should have made about 2 or 3 grand on this. So I'm gonna check and see if I put in the right amount of shares. Sometimes I make mistakes in putting in the number of shares. Sometimes you need more, sometimes you need less. So I'll double check that. Microsoft. Just want to give you guys a update on Microsoft. So you guys know Microsoft is my long-term play. It's my main play that I've been doing. I've been adding, and I just want to show you guys how powerful these fibs have been. So the first add was actually back here, and then we used the Fibonacci like this, and oops. So we used the Fibonacci like this on that first pullback, and then we put on the full. So I added on the 618 and I added on the 786, and then recently I was able to add again. So check this out, from low to high on this last push up in January, I added on the 50 here. So I've been adding and adding and adding to my long-term play on Microsoft. And for anyone who likes to do longer-term plays, I actually post my Microsoft entries in the swing trades. That'll be there if you guys are interested. But really, really nice. That's my long-term play, guys. And it's been working really well. So I've just been adding, and I'm in this for the long run, guys. That's a very nice pullback on the monthly. Really nice hammer. Let's see how far that goes. What do you guys think about Microsoft? 1, if you like it. 2, if not. What do you guys think? That's my long. Microsoft, Amazon, my two big ones that I really, really like to play for the long term. Futures. All right. So let's go ahead and let's do analysis of futures, and let's figure out where we are now. Okay. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna draw last week's high. So I'm just gonna do this pretty roughly, high and low. Okay. And then I'm gonna go ahead here and I'm gonna draw the fib from the high to the low. And I'm gonna double click here and I'm gonna put on the basic and I'm gonna add the 786. Okay, so let's see where we are right now and let's discuss. Okay, so the market opened on Sunday. So I'm gonna go down to the hourly chart to see this just clearly. Okay, so the market opened on Sunday, right here. Friday, Sunday right there. So Sunday at 18, that's 6 o'clock. Okay, so let's recap everything that happened so far. The market opened on Sunday and it came right into the 618. This is the 618. That line right there, that's the 618. So we were thinking when the bulls hit that 618 from the weekly, which is right there, that we were going to reject. And that's what happened, right? We got a rejection. So a lot of people did make money on the short. We came in, we hit the 618, we had a little bit of a fake out of last week's high and we pushed down. But what we've seen now is the bulls have actually stepped in. So let's use this last swing low with this outside bar and take it up to the high. And look how beautiful that is, guys. Is that not beautiful? Look at this beautiful 618. You see that, guys? This is why I love Fibonacci. You can't trade without using fibs, at least to help you find the levels. Hit me with a 7 if that's beautiful. And this is the first time I'm pulling it up on the hourly like that. But you see how beautiful it is? Algo pushed up. The bears shorted up here. They made their money on the way back down, right? Everybody can make money, guys, as long as you trade properly. And then from here, that 618 came in and they pushed it in. So tomorrow is a very, very, very important day. I can't stress that enough. And here's why. We're coming up right against this 786. And I don't think this 786 will go out without a fight. And we also have to remember, if I put on the extensions here, this 618 is about to be completed. So we look at this, guys. This is absolutely crazy. The 272 of the 618 extension, which is one of the main levels of reversal, is right on the 786. Hit me with the 10 if that makes sense. That is absolutely crazy. So tomorrow, I'm stalking this level. We'll be looking at it together in the Discord. If we get a rejection right around here, guys, that will be a nice play for a short. And you know what? You know what's going to happen right now? This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it in a short order right now. I'm going to do it right now. So let me go ahead and just put on the exact levels, and I'm going to take a short right now. I'm going to leave the short in right there. And so if it fills, and I'm actually looking to hedge my long-term portfolio, right? Because my long-term is good. It's making money. But if the market crashes, I don't want to lose that. I don't want to give up all my gains, right? So I'm going to invest a little bit here in a short. So let's go ahead. Let's draw it up, right? And obviously, guys, don't follow me blindly. I'm doing this for a specific purpose, and you need to know why you're doing things, all right? But I'm showing you what I do so you can learn, right? You could paper trade it, right? You don't have to actually take the trade if you don't want to. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going into my interactive brokers. I'm doing it on my mobile. It's just easier. And what we'll do is we'll actually short NQ. So let's go to MNQ. I'm going to short that. This one is actually a lot. Wow, this is actually very interesting to me. So the NQ is already way deep in there. Look at the IWM. So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to use, the reason why too is because I also day trade. I day trade ES a lot. So I can't really take a hedge if I'm going to be day trading ES a lot. Does that make sense? Hit me with the 6 if that makes sense. Because if I'm day trading it, I want to be in and out of those contracts, right? So the low, I'm just marking up the high and the low, 10.751. Okay. So what I'm going to do, actually, yeah. So what I'll do is when futures, so when the when ES hits that level, then I will short NQ. So let me also put on a reminder. Add alert. That's why I love Trendspider as well for this. Okay. 496 crossing, create. And it should be on the chart right there. All right. I'm all set up and ready to go with that, guys. Okay. And that's it, man. That's it, guys. That's all I wanted to say. Hit me with a 7 if that was clear and made sense. And please hit the comment, like, and subscribe. I'm really doing my best to show you guys everything. I give all my picks for free, guys. I give all my strategies for free. There's one thing about me, guys. If you find value in what I do, then support me. But if you don't find value, if it's not clicking, if it's not working, by all means, guys, I don't want to force you into anything. So just, I'm just here for that. All right. Tradingwars.com. You have 4 more days. That's it. Remember, I warned you. You have 4 more days to purchase the book and get 3 months in the Discord. Normally, with the purchase of any book, you get 1 month. You get 30 days for free. You have 4 more days to get 90 days instead of 3 days. And this is a part of my promotion for the new year. Okay. So you get 90 days. You'll get the Nirvana, the golden indicator, the premium ones with alerts. You can catch patterns like this. It'll go to your phone. You can even automate it completely. Okay. Or if you want, guys, you can sign up for the bundle. So there's only 4 more days left on this as well. All 3 books, the 2 seminars. Instead of 4 months trading with the plan, you get 12 months. So you get 1 full year. All right. One-time payment if you guys are interested. All right. Resources, please do check this out. I have responded to some questions already that were posted on the resource section. So under the resources, you can ask me questions. I have responded to a few already. Educational series, all the videos you need, the quick guides, the tools, every single thing is right here, guys. Check it out. Check it out. Okay. Trendspider, 35% off hookup. Well, let's do some scans right now. And my free indicators right there. Bang. Right there. Add those to your chart, guys. And I also have the $30 off with Tradingview. I use both. Okay. I really need both, to be honest. So let's go ahead here. Let's see what we can find on Trendspider. So let's look for some blue raindrops right now. So Amazon, guys, you could see a blue raindrop close on Friday. It doesn't get much better than that. Look at the blue rain. Do you guys see this right here? Hit me with a 10 if you see this. October 25th, blue raindrop. So what the blue raindrop does, it doesn't say if it's going to be long or short, but what it generally has after is an increase in volatility. And as a day trader, that's all we want. We want an increase in volatility. So just because the last time we had a big blue raindrop, we had a massive crash, doesn't mean that's going to happen. But what it does mean is premiums can be cheaper, and it means that we're looking for a bigger move. So that's the one. I'm going to post that as well. Check that out. Actually, I did post it for Trading Wars Army. Okay, so please join the army. All right, join the army. Let me find it right here. Community, right there. Okay. So I didn't post it yet. Okay. So I'm going to post it for the army right after this. And if you want to join the army, guys, all you have to do is click the join button below, $4.99. You get this free picks for regular subscribers and the bonus picks for army members only. I don't even share those on Twitter anymore, just for the people that support here on YouTube. Thank you very much. Much appreciated. Guides below, indicator, grab that for tomorrow. Look for some holy grails. It'll be a nice day. Let's go ahead. Lotto Friday. I'm excited. I want to do the 1K to 10K challenge. We will see how we are tomorrow, guys. But every Friday, I look for that because I believe the volatility is there for those opportunities. So best of luck tomorrow. Come trade with us if you like, guys, in the Discord. Otherwise, I still wish you green no matter what. All right. Green. Let's finish strong. I'll see you guys on Sunday. Take care.